Hello and welcome friends. In this tutorial I will tell you how to make a donut in Blender. In this video I will show you how to model a donut. Then the other videos lessons I will show you how to make good textures on this donut. So let's start. First you need to delete this by default cube. Shift A and place a torus. Click on add torus window and major segment give 40 and minor segment type 16. Then major radius increase a little bit and minor radius increase like this. So we have a donut type shape, and then press tab and enter in edit mode. Click anywhere else on the screen to deselect the donut and click on select and then select random. Now press S and decrease a little bit to D-shape to make it a real type donut. Then press tab again to go into object mode and click on this plus type modifier options and add modifier. In generate, click subdivision surface and levels viewport, select 3 level. No, two will be enough. So you can see it's oven, looking like an oven baked donut, but it is not perfect. Now we will have to do some more work. So select this donut and again press tab to go into edit mode and press numpad 1 and alt Z to go into wireframe and select like this and press shift D and make your mouse upside and right click to deselect it. So and again press P and hit enter or click selection. Now press tab to go into object mode again and alt Z to exit from wireframe, and so now you can see these are two items. Now rename this upper part to icing and rename the torus into donut. Now we will make this icing little bit thicker, so add another modifier which name is solidify. Now go into minus, you can see that, and place the solidified modifier at the upside of subdivision mask. Now you can see it's a little bit better in shape. Now click on the icing and go into edit mode by tab and press alt Z. Now select these vertices and press G. Once again you will have to press alt Z and now press G and drag into downside. Now you can see it's a little bit melting ice. Now we will have to make 2 drops also. Once again press alt Z, because if I don't press alt Z I will also select the vertices from the back side, so our donut will be D-shape. Now select these 2 vertices and press alt Z. Now press E and click but you can see it's not like a real drop, it is going to outside. We want it to drop and slide by the donut wall, so hit Control Z and then click on this magnet. Yes, we will select faces and align rotation target and back face cooling. So now click on magnet 2 before pressing E to extrude. Now click extrude and you can see it's going downside, sliding, it's going and sliding by with respect of donut wall. So press S to scale down a little bit and then press E again to drop a little bit downside. Now again Alt Z and select these two vertices. Now press Alt Z and then press E to extrude and then again S to scale down and E to extrude a little bit. So select this and little bit, but first uncheck the magnet, press G and now we have our donut and its icing. And for making it smooth, select ice, right click and shade auto smooth. Also click on donut downside and donut base and click right click and press shade auto smooth. Now we have our donut. Now I will show you give them texture in next video. So please first you should make good practice on this basic donut making video. Thank you very much.